Hi, it's Neil here from Toolstop TV, and today I'm going to show you this new Makita white 720 watt jigsaw. It's an orbital action jigsaw and the model number is a 4350FCT. Now this is the white model. It also comes in a blue model. This is a 110 volt version. It also comes in a 240 volt version. So let's unbox it. Take the sleeve off. Comes in this beautiful camera style carry case. Plenty of padding there to pad the machine. Comes with 16 free saw blades of various styles. Dust extraction adapter. And the jigsaw itself.
So there's many types of blades in the marketplace, but primarily most jigsaw blades cut in the upward, so the teeth will be going up. For laminates, rather than having a blade with teeth going down and up on the same blade, they all go down. So you must always ensure that's in the zero mode.